Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Naveen, you joined from two systems. Just cross check. There'll be an echo if you're not making sure.
Yeah, I exited from browser.
Sorry,
No, I exited from browser. So I
already
joined in the
exit
same
from
system.
browser.
Yeah.
Your voice is very low. Is it only for me
Okay.
or others can hear him, guys?
It's a low, ma'am, actually.
Naveen, raise your hand from which you're using. The other one I'll remove it.
Is it audible now, madam?
Yeah, you're audible. Can you raise
Yeah.
your hand from which you're talking so that the other one I will remove it?
Sure.
I think the one which is unmuted, I'll keep it and thanks. Yeah, done. Fine. Now it seems easy for us for the count. Fine, guys. So where are we in the last class?
Yesterday, we have installed all the five softwares in the system, ma'am.
We started using SQL, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now what we'll do is, let me make my screen similar to what you will see. I think you guys have a screen like this, right? When you open MySQL, do you all have a screen like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, look at the screen when I'm saying so that you can try it. I'll give you time for trying it. So, on the right corner, you have three boxes, right? The blue lines. The first line, if you click on it, you will understand. See, you have a navigation pane on the left. That gets removed and you can again get it back. It's for hide and unhide option for the navigation pane. Second box is for the bottom output. Do you see some output with green tick marks here on the bottom?
Yes.
Yes.
See, it is vanishing and it is hiding and unhiding. The second one is for that, and the third one is for the SQL editions. So you can ignore it. You can remove that SQL editions. We don't use it. And then you see File, Edit, View, Query tab. You have a SQL file option. Click on it. Your SQL query file will open. And on the left, in the navigation pane, do you see my cursor here? Administration and schemas.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on schemas. You will see the list of schemas. You will have only 2 or 3. I have many because I've been teaching people. For you, it will be only like 2 or 3. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just be 2 or 3 schemas there. So just check it and put your screen like this. Get your screen to this way. Do it quick. Go step by step. Explore the screen so that you get habituated with MySQL. Okay? Take your time. Be very cautious when you're clicking on things. Once done, please let me know so that I'll tell you the next step. Yes, Praveen. You have any question?
No.
So guys, is this completed? I'm waiting for you guys to say.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Yep.
I told you guys to inform me, right? Fine, chalo. Let's go with the next step. Now, in this databases, I think you have Sakila, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in this Sakila database, you have tables and you have multiple tables here. You see that you have multiple tables? So the
Yes.
structure of the database is in a short manner. If I have to explain you the structure of the database, let me put it this way. So you have your laptop.
Yes, ma'am.
In laptop, you have your drives. In drives, you have folders. In folders, you have your files, ultimately, which has data, right? In files, you have your data, correct? Similarly, like you have your laptop, you have your server. In your server, this is in your MySQL server, you have schemas or databases. Understood? In the schemas or databases, you have tables. In each schema or database, you have multiple tables. In each table, you have rows and columns, in which you have the data. Understood the difference? It's hierarchy, the structure how the data is maintained. First, you have your site server, which you installed it. Then you have your schemas and databases. Then you have your tables. After tables, you have your rows and columns. In your rows and columns, you have your data. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you want to save your data, first you have to learn how to install it. We did it already. Then you should know how to create your schema or database that you will be learning. After that, you will know how to create tables, how to add columns to it, and how to put data in it. That's what is the step-by-step process which we are going to learn. Okay? Any doubts? Any questions?
No.
No.
Oh, fine. Now let's create a schema. So you have data analyst 1, Naresh 22, Power BI, personal DB, Sakila, SIS, training, world, lot of stuff. I have a lot of them here, but you will have Sakila, SIS, and world, I think, right? Now, suppose you want to create your own database. If you want to create your own database, you have to go with a command called create database and the name of it. So whatever name you want to give. So your batch is Power BI and SQL. So I will write it as Harsha SQL PBI. Okay. This will be a batch name, the database name for your batch. Now to execute this line, you can put your cursor anywhere. See, anywhere your cursor is, that's okay. Put your cursor anywhere on this line and do Control Enter. On the bottom, you see create database Harsha PQL Power BI line is executed and you have a green tick here on the bottom.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a green tick here, that means it is successfully executed. Now, ma'am, it is executed. I'm not seeing it in the list of schemas. If you refresh, do you see this refresh option here? If you click on refresh, can you see that name now?
Yes, ma'am.
This is one way of creating a database. Another way is you can also write create schema Harsha SQL PPI. Same name I cannot give. So I'll write 1. Okay. Now also put cursor anywhere on this line. Do Control Enter. See, this is also successfully executed. You got a green tick. On the left, if I refresh, I have Harsha SQL Power BI 1. Will you try executing these two? Shortcut
Yes.
is Control Enter to execute. After executing on the bottom, if you get a green tick mark, that means it is successful. Okay?
Okay.
Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Just try executing.
Sorry, I just have a question. The schemas, where do we find the schemas to get over there? Hello?
Done, ma'am.
Sorry, guys, I was unable to mute. Can you repeat that again?
So I was asking about the schemas. I
Okay.
got on my dashboard bottom one output, but not on the sidebar the
You have
schemas.
to refresh. Click on refresh here so that you will get it. You have a refresh
No,
button
actually,
here.
no, actually I don't see schemas on my dashboard at all.
You have administration like this.
Yeah.
So you have to click on schemas. Do you see my cursor here?
Oh yeah.
Click on schemas, you will get the list.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Did you guys complete?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Shall we go with the next one? So
Yes.
this is the two ways you create it, and there is another way to create. It is a step-by-step process. Okay. So the first one is you have, do you see something called query? Under that you have a symbol of database. You see that symbol of database or schema? Can you see my cursor, guys? On the
Yes,
left
ma'am.
corner.
Yes.
Once you click on it, you can write the name here. So what was the name we are following? Actually, I'm following Harsha SQL PPI, right? Now, after writing the name of it, SQL PPI is already there. One is there, so I'll write two here. Now, on the right corner, look at my cursor. On the right bottom corner, you have apply. Click on apply. It will automatically write the query by itself. You just have to click on apply and then finish. Now you can close this new window which is open. And on the left, if you observe, you will have it. This is another way of creating. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just give it a try. Yes, I'll just have my medication and come just 2 minutes. You can finish it. Finish this, so I'll be back. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'm back. Did you guys try it? Did it work fine?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's go with
Yes.
the next one. So now you guys know how to create the schemas, right? Now you should also know how to drop the schema, right? Suppose by chance if you created a extra one. So you have to write drop schema and the name of it. Suppose if I want to drop Harsha SQL PPI 2. Okay. So you have it here in the list, right? On the left, you see it is here. Now I'll write this, put my cursor on the line, put my cursor here. Now I'll do control enter. See, it is successfully executed. On the left, it's no more. It's completely gone. This is one way of dropping it. Another way of dropping it is you can select the schema, right click and do drop schema and say drop now. That's it. This is another way of doing. Will you guys give it a try now?
Yes.
Sorry, a quick question. So, does it
Yeah.
matter while writing alphabet also, like, is a caps or a small?
No, it is case insensitive. So you can write it upper, lower, anything. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Just give this a try, guys. Drop schema two ways. Right clicking on it. And other one is writing a syntax.
Done.
Done.
Okay. Now let's go with the next one. What is the number of databases you see on the left here, guys? How many do you see on the left here?
7.
8.
That's 7. I see 8.
Sorry, 8. 8.
8.
8, right? So, but if I do show databases and execute, how many is it giving?
11.
How many is it giving? Look at it. Look at it here. It
11.
has something extra as well. What are they?
My SQL performance schema personal ADL.
You see information schema, MySQL and performance schema more in number, right? So what do you think information schema will contain? What does this information schema contain?
Maybe the information which we stored in that database.
Which database?
Uh, from Harsha
Complete
SQL PBI.
MySQL. No, not this alone. From all of them. From all of them. Okay?
Yeah.
So this information schema contains all the information of all the databases present in MySQL server. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So when you're understanding this information schema, let's also understand that in information schema, we also have each and everything noted. When I say each and everything noted, for example, how many how many schemas do you see here?
Eleven.
Sorry,
11 database.
11. Okay, now you see here. If I do select star from information underscore schema dot schemata, execute. Is it giving all the 11 names here?
Yes.
Information schema is like a library for all my SQL. It is all the database which is in front of you. It has everything registered. It tells all the database names for you. Suppose, ma'am, it is telling database name. Will it also have information about what is there in that databases? Yes, it also has that information. Okay, how does it have? So suppose if I write select star from information underscore schema dot tables, where my schema, that is table schema, table underscore schema is equals to, for example, Sakila. Before itself, you see here in Sakila, you have list of lot of tables here, right? You have actor, address, category, city, country, customer, film, lot of tables. Now, if I query this, control enter, unknown database information scheme. Did I write any spelling mistake? Yes. Fine. Now I execute. Now you see, it gives all the tables. You see that it is telling that actor is a base table, version 10, dynamic format. It is giving information of that table also, right? You see that? When was it created and when the table collection was, where is the data collected from? You see that, guys?
Yes.
But it has all the information of all the tables also. It has tables. In each table, we have again columns. Does it also have column level? Yes, it has column level also. How does it have column level? So we do select star from information underscore schema dot, we are talking about columns. So columns, where, which table do you want? First one is table schema. My table schema is equals to Sakila. In Sakila database, the table name which I want to query is actor. Before that, let's also check ourselves. If I expand actor table, I have columns. How many columns do I have in actor table? 4 columns.
Four
Actor ID,
columns.
first name, and last update. Now, if I query it, so it tells all the 4 columns and its information. That understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how you can understand whatever things you want using information schema. So generally, people say database and schema is different because of this reason. Because you see, information is schema is having all the information, right? So database contains the data. Schema has the information of the database. You get my point? Database has the data directly. Information schema has the information of that data which is present in the databases. Am I making sense? You
Yes.
understand, guys? Database is a
Yes.
container which has the data. And schema has the information of whatever is present in all the databases. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine. Now, so when you're writing this, don't you feel like you needed some headings here so that you remember that this is for this? Right? You also want some headings, right? To say which is what and things and stuff. You agree?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want it, that is called comments. If you want to write single line heading, do a double hyphen space and say the above query is for information schema. If it is in one line, you go like this. Or you can also go with this symbol and type the above query, blah, 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 etc. Okay. Now in the next line, if I go and type, is it taking as comment or a query?
Command.
It's taking as query. That's why it is throwing error, right?
Okay.
If it's a comment, there is no error any language you write.
Yes.
But if it is not a comment, it is trying to understand this as a SQL language and it's telling you are doing wrong. If you want to do a multiple line comment, you have to go forward slash start. See now, the above query is next line. I'm doing enter is for information schema. Now, if you want to end it, you can also write in next line. It is still a comment only. If you want to end it, you have to put start forward slash. With that, it will end. Now again, it's a query from here. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's how it is. Any questions? Will you guys try executing these and check it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please execute these. It's completed. Please let me know.
Sorry, while I'm writing query for select star from information schema tables where table schema Sakila, it
Okay.
doesn't appear on the bottom one, the full information.
Why will it appear on the bottom one until and unless you execute?
Oh, I
Only
tried
if you
to exit.
execute, control enter, only then it will show and say if it is correct or no. If it gets a green tick, that means it's correct. If you get a red, that means you're doing some mistake.
No, that one is showing the one which is above the one, the data, like the full information, like actor where it's stored from.
Can you share your screen? Make it more easy.
Yeah, 1 second. I was talking about the information of from here.
Okay, 1 second. Can you maximize this? On the bottom, you see here, what is it saying? On the bottom, last line. Scroll down.
Yeah,
There is still a bit of scrolling. Is it to the end?
yeah.
Scrolling not to the side, to the bottom. Huh, good. That's the last one. Fine. It is saying unknown table schemata. I told you to write very clearly to write select star from information schema dot schemata. Did I ask you to give a space there
Oh,
after a dot? That also matters there. You cannot give a space there. Now execute. What is it saying? Unknown table schemata. So information schemata spelling schemata. Is that correct?
oh,
See now? Okay?
yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you for sharing your screen. Yeah, thank you. Every word matters in SQL. Okay?
Yeah.
You have to give spaces only where it is required. Where not required, you should not give it.
Done, ma'am.
Fine. So I think we had a good enough queries as this is our first day of SQL. You all like the class? You all understand firstly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. It's easy to understand, or do you feel any difficulties in understanding SQL?
A little easy. We have to check the spelling mistakes and the space, that's all.
Syntaxes, not only space, any syntaxes which when you're working on it. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. I'll quickly save this file. Fine. I save this file so that once the classroom link is created, I can share this note with you guys. Okay. The last. So that's about it for today, guys. Let's connect back tomorrow again.
Yes,
Spend
ma'am.
some more time learning things. Any questions, please feel free to ask me. If no questions, you can feel free to leave. Thank you so much for joining. See you all back tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Ma'am, actually, when we are doing it, how to delete the previous whatever we have done for practicing and all, again we have to start refreshing and the tool, or how
Just
about?
do with the go with another query line. Open another query window. You
Okay.
can start fresh.
Another schema to create and then to practice in
Huh.
that. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay then. Thank you guys. See you all back tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.